time stands still, forced to be married against her will. Claudia, a girl who craves to escape this prison she's in where everything's fake. Finn is a boy who's woken to find Incarceron, so confined. No memory how he got there or how long it's been. Flashbacks of outside appear in his dreams.
Drama, unable to evade the Queen's prying eyes. My first engaged, they told me he'd die. Stuck with his brother, wishing he would just die, die, die. Die, die, die,
but somehow I feel that this world's so wrong. Escape to the truth with the crystal key. Bright points of light burning through memory. Who I am or where I'm from. In this cold world I just can't see. Tell me again about the stars. I see them in my head. I once saw an open sky, now cold grey walls instead.
Hey Claudia, speak to me. I'm not one of the crowd. We both have a key and we'll remove the